Create a virtualenv with both python2 and python3. I tried to use virtualenvwrapper to create a virtualenv with both python2 and python3. For virtualenv with python2 and python3 via homebrew, I hoped this would work. The name of the virtualenv is double. It mentions that, but that does not seem to be true. Typing python2.7 python3 and python3.4 all start the python3.4 interpreter.
Sorry, Virtualenv is designed to support single interpreter version. If you need to use several Python versions on the same codebase, please create separate virtual environments.
Virtualenv does not support multiple interpreter versions. My suggestion is to use different environment for each of the versions.
Virtualenv help you to isolate environments. It can't support multiple Python version in the same time. You can try pyaf and pyaf virtualenv. It support you change folder to another Python version and work environment. It switch version very easily. If you can't install pyaf and work on Mac, env can help you to install pyaf. Example.
I have a solution for this involving Vagrant/VirtualBox. It has my bootstrap set up for starting a Django project, but fork it and go wild with it. The package is here. This URL of virtualenv is unfortunately a single Python game, but with a VirtualBox you can work freely in a sandbox calling python2 or python3.
Is what you want. I know that this is an old question, but I looked here now, and found that the answers aren't updated.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.